So I figured I'd do a winter update. I've kind of neglected the garden a little bit after a lot of rain and some 30-degree weather. I'll show you what all has taken place. Still got blooms on the serrano peppers. Still got plenty of peppers. I don't know how much longer they'll last. Got garlic growing. Basil. Still got a few big tomatoes out here that I may pick them, make fried green tomatoes, or I may see if they'll turn. Do a lot of cleanup out here. Marigolds have done really well. A lot of my basil went to seed. Still got a few okra. I don't know how much longer they'll be producing. They don't like this cold weather. So anyway, just thought I'd give a little update. Show y'all. Haven't showed you inside the greenhouse, but it's still doing well. Got a lot of plants I need to put in here for the winter. I don't have any heat in here right now, so I've got to do that soon. Get some of this cleaned up and organized. Showing 50 degrees in here right now. Okay, I'll try to do some more updates soon. Plan on planting some lettuce and some more onions. Thanks for watching.